Welcome to the Create with Katrina Julia show by Fit Life Creation, where we talk all the things on wellness, faith, marketing, business, and travel to create a life and business you love. I've been there, friend. I've walked from fear to faith, self-hate to love, corporate to calling, and bondage to freedom, along with transformation in every area of my life. I'm right here with you, walking along on my own path to creating. So tune in so that you learn how to create a life and business you love, hands-on. Let's create it.
It's the Create It Snapshot. Less than 7 minutes to create it with tips, tools, and tech. Falling into November, I am sharing key questions around the Black Friday Ultimate Toolkit for creators to CEOs. This will help jumpstart you into thinking about how you are setting up your creator and or your business as a CEO, depending on how you view yourself for this holiday season. I get it. Finding ways to simplify and amplify ways to create it is not for the faint of heart, while still being and embodying all the emotions and feelings of being a human. Craving, creating, community, and cash. I got you. Black Friday blues. Let's create it with a snapshot. So number one, what is your offer for Black Friday before and or after? Because depending on where you're at with your creator and or your business, you likely have something that you're offering as a preview or it's flowing into your Black Friday, similar to what I'm doing with the Black Friday Ultimate Toolkit and sharing being a Black Friday CMO and then several things coming up on Black Friday, on Cyber Monday, and after. And the Ultimate Toolkit for free that you can download in the link in the show notes will definitely help you with that. Number two, which priorities are you focused on for your business to consumer? For example, are you reaching out to brands for the first time and maybe using LinkedIn for the first time, or maybe using IO, intelligent outreach tools, which I also cover in the Ultimate Toolkit? Number three, how will you hashtag create it with the digital marketing channels and platforms? So for example, in your launch, are you planning 3 emails, and are you integrating AI ChatGPT with a personalized approach? And are you sharing and aligning your content on Instagram and then repurposing, say, those 5 to 7 Instagram reels then on YouTube, on TikTok, or maybe you're testing them on YouTube and or TikTok first? Because I don't know about you, friend, but I am definitely seeing way more views on YouTube than I am Instagram right now. Number four, what will you do to 10x that impact? For example, maybe in the past you didn't do a business to business outreach or a sponsor outreach and you're adding that. Or maybe you did 3 emails in the past and now you realize that oftentimes over 70, according to some studies, over 70% of brands will reply after the 5th email. Or maybe you're increasing the number of emails, or maybe you're increasing the number of Instagram reels or YouTube shorts, or maybe you're integrating AI for the first time. So any number of those things, and I can keep going with the ideas to create it. Have no fear. So make sure you head on over to the link in the show notes, because this is just a preview of all the divine downloads that you're going to receive to create it with my Black Friday free Ultimate Toolkit for creators to CEOs to hashtag create it. Remember that the actions we take are like compound interest in our mind, in our faith, in our fitness, in our wealth, and in our lives. It all adds up and multiplies over time, whether we see it or not. So stay aligned. believe in the unseen and the actions you're taking, even if you don't see the external results yet, even if the plant hasn't popped out of the planet yet. And when I speak to you, I'm speaking to myself too. Leave a review on the show, drop your Instagram handle and or your website so I can shout you out. Tag me on social at Katrina Julia Fit, at Fit Life Creation, so I can reshare and you can be entered into the monthly giveaway. And as always, friends, remember, create, transform, and inspire because you are born to.
And chats on faith, wellness, money, marketing, business, and travel so you create a life and business haven't already. Head on over to the blog, the podcast, and the freebies to jumpstart your transformation. If you're ready to dive into the online courses, the live events, or the retreat, and if you want to create with our community on an even deeper level, definitely check out our internships, our influencer collaborations, management, and brand engagement. Let's create it.